Okay, putting this water heater in this attic, that you had to use a ladder to get to the water heater. Okay, and we do not have a 22-inch walkway. We do not have a 30-inch service platform in front of it. So we can argue this, but I still think this is a bad idea, that you got to use a ladder to service the water heater. Then our water piping right there, we got some PEX piping and we need some insulation on that. But here we are. Our water heater flue doesn't have a strap on it. I get it, it's a short flue, but does not have a strap on it. Okay, our water supply piping does not have insulation on it. Our temperature pressure relief drain valve does not have insulation on it. The drain valve does not have an air gap in the same room as the water heater. Okay, we do have a care and use manual right there. About to lose it though. About to lose it where the other one went. That's where the other one went too. Okay. So this is our water heater. This is our data plate. $50 gallons. Let's see. I think it's 1920. It's about 4 years old. We have a sediment trap, electronic ignition. So what do we have here? We've got missing insulation on our supply lines and on our temperature pressure relief valve. We do not have a support strap on our flue. We do not have a vacuum breaker in the same room as the water heater discharge. We have insufficient service access to it.